Sam Jolly's back in this last extended day of summer.
That's right, Rick. It has been an eventful season too, possibly our hottest summer on record. I'll tell you how autumn is looking next.
Tonight, name and shame the traitor Polly, the defence expert demanding to know who betrayed the country. Labor's big litmus test, Dunkley votes this weekend, our weekly panel weighs in, and a golden ticket to a nightmare, an immersive Willy Wonka experience leaves kids in tears. The latest from 7 News after the front button.
Welcome back and farewell to summer. We are waiting for official figures, but this was possibly our hottest summer on record. And today we were lucky enough to get a bonus day because it is a leap year. It was mostly blue skies, 33.5 degrees in the city after a cool overnight low of less than 16. Right now it is 26 degrees. The winds are southerly. We had quite a difference in temperatures across the suburbs today. A very hot end to summer in Bullsbrook and the airport. 37 degrees there today. In the northeast, it's been consistently our hottest area this summer. Mandurah got to 31, which is about average, and just 25 on Rottnest. The start of autumn is set to be hot. That's because we have a deepening trough down the coast and a high in the south, and we could also get a stormy weekend. Interstate, partly cloudy and 26 in Melbourne tomorrow. We have 31 in Brisbane, mostly sunny and 29 for Adelaide. And statewide tomorrow, a severe heatwave warning for the south interior districts and a strong wind warning for the Geraldton, Lancelin, Bunbury Geograph and Lewin coast. So we're getting down to 19 tonight, then a sunny top of 34 degrees to ring in autumn tomorrow. We're also looking at 34 on Saturday, but there's a medium chance of showers and a thunderstorm, about a millimetre of rain. But Sunday is looking wet and stormy, up to 20 millimetres of rain, mostly in the morning. Strong winds, but still hot, 34 degrees. It clears to 28 degrees for our public holiday Monday and 30 on Tuesday. And we have an extra special anniversary tonight. This is Bill and Ronnie Willis from South Perth. They have technically been married 60 years, but because they were married on a leap year, they've only been able to celebrate 15 times, so an even bigger reason to celebrate their milestone tonight. Congratulations. Now for tonight's winning Powerball numbers, they are 31, 3, 24, 13, 5, 25, 33 and the Powerball is 17. Those numbers again are 31, 3, 24, 13, 5, 25, 33 and the Powerball is 17. Now here's Mark LeCras with your boating and fishing details.
Thanks, Sam. Start waxing the board up tonight because it's looking like there'll be a few nice waves around tomorrow. Let's check out what's happening on the water. Expect southeasterly winds 15 to 25 knots, seas 1.5 to 2.5 metres and a southwesterly swell 1.5 to 2 metres dropping throughout the morning. The low tide at Two Rocks is at 4:37am, the highs at 12:19pm, similar times in Freo. If you're taking the board out, tomorrow's looking like a fun one. Melrose, Trigg and Alkimos are just a few spots that'll have good waves. With decent swell and offshore winds most of the day, you can take your pick on most of the breaks in the metro area. If you're keen on a fish, Windmills has fished well for King George whiting. Samson fish and yellowtail kingfish have been caught offshore around Ocean Reef. And from shore, the North Moles produced Taylor at dawn and dusk and the odd mulloway throughout the night. And how good are these viewer picks? Young Tex reeled in this beauty of a squid off Geograph Bay. Blake had plenty of luck in Broome, scoring this nice coral trout. And have a look at this monster mulloway Lockie bagged off the banks of the Swan River. Keep sending your pictures to fishing@7.com.au for your chance to be featured. Well, hopefully in the morning, the waves are pumping and the fish are biting. I'll catch you again tomorrow night.
Thanks, Mark. That's 7 News for a special Leap Year Thursday. We'll have updates throughout the evening.
7news.com.au will also keep you informed. Enjoy the rest of your night here on 7.